Hello students, today we will be starting a new module on the different types of nouns, and in this particular lecture we will be looking into what a noun is. A noun is a naming word. It is a word that names a person or a place or an animal or a thing. Now let's see a few examples for these. So, for a person, it can be a name of a person, Rahul, or it can be what the person does. For example, teacher or a nurse. Examples for places can be the national park, the petrol pump, or the school. For animals, it can be a bull, an octopus, or a peacock. For things, it can refer to a tap, a lamp, some books. Now, let's read a few of these examples. First, cotton is grown in India. So over here, cotton and India are nouns. Cotton refers to a thing and India refers to the name of a place. Second, the boy eats an apple. Now boy refers to a person and apple refers to a thing. Third, an aeroplane flies very fast. Aeroplane over here is a noun which refers to a thing. Fourth, the farmer grows crops. So farmer over here is a noun which refers to a person and crops refers to a thing. Fifth, the teacher writes with her chalk on the blackboard. Teacher over here is a person and chalk and blackboard are things. So this is all for this lecture. Now we will see the different types of nouns in the next lecture. Thank you.